In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a dramatic effect from a wildlife photo. Alright, welcome back. So let's just go ahead and add in our image. Click on photo library. Then this will be the image I'll be using. So you click on it and click add. So what I want to do first, I want to isolate the bird from the background at first. So to do that, I'm going to use the quick selection tool because it's really quick. Here is the quick selection tool. So I'm just going to click and drag around the bird. I think I'm going to increase the brush. Right. Let me just quickly do this, and it'll catch me seconds. Okay. Right at this point, what we want to do, I missed this spot. So what we want to do at this point is to refine the selection. So to do that, you can click right here and click on refine edge. So I think we'll make the brush a bit smaller, and then you can just click at the edges. As you can see, it does a pretty great job. So that being done, we'll click on OK. So now let's separate it from the background. So you click right here, you click on this icon, then layer from selection. Done. As you can see, it's now in its own background. So we're not going to need the legs because the effects we want to apply is not going to affect the legs. So let's deselect this selection, come over here and click deselect. That's cool. Now let's create an empty layer. Click right here and then click here, create an empty layer. So you click on done. So let's take this to the bottom and we'll come over here, see gradient. We're not going to need this one, so you click right here, click on this, you turn it to black and you reduce the opacity to 0%. This one will also make it black, and I think the opacity will be, so let's leave it at 80%. So let's just put it there, 80. And yeah, so let's make it a bit smaller. Put it right here. At first this one is going to be bigger. Okay, once you are good with that, you click on OK and you make another empty layer. Come over here, create an empty layer, click on done, click over here again, and then gradient. In this case, you're going to make it a bit smaller, like so. Then you click on done. So you can reduce the opacity of this one. Okay, As you can see, that's just how easy it is. So let's take a look at the before and after. So I'm just going to duplicate this one. Done. Put it at the top. So this is the before and this is the after. Looks a bit dramatic, isn't it? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.